Dogelon Mars generally is as of now esteemed at $0. Dogelon Mars records commonly descending development today, which sort of is very huge. Elon generally rose 1.42% in 7 days, which truly is very critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for Dogelon Mars really is drifting at $1,078,656, which sort of is very critical. The 4th of June 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these as often as possible fundamentally clarified pressing issues. What explicitly is transient cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, for the most part is elon a truly wise speculation, which basically is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so on, which truly is genuinely huge. In any case, prior to jumping sort of profound into the elon specialized examination, in every way that really matters, let us discuss the ongoing economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours. There truly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the really whole digital money market to $1,149,802,649,559, which sort of is genuinely huge. The exceptionally all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $19,987,677,932 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 45.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, which really is genuinely critical, which brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,205.78 level after a vertical development of 0.07%, or so they most certainly thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 0.5% coming to $1,903.61 during the past 24 hours in an extremely large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.13. Following a value change of 0.28% within a similar time period, which basically is genuinely critical. XRP, the local coin of XRP explicitly, is up by 3.45 and as of now exchanging at 54 cents, which especially is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which especially is very critical. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market truly is going in every practical sense. Descending, heading for genuinely transient in a huge manner. As of now, a kind of broad, truly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, or so they truly thought. Dogelon Mars execution. The very everyday outline of Dogelon Mars truly shows that the elon cost in a real sense has an especially descending development with a 2.51% lessening and genuinely beyond 24 hours, showing how Bitcoin shares 45.89% of the entry market while Ethereum has a predominance of 16.33% in an essentially significant manner. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars coin truly is remaining at $0. Market capitalization $136,963,872 USD in an unobtrusive manner. elon cost changes 1.42% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume certainly is floating around $1,078,656 USD, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. What for the most part is Dogelon Mars in an unobtrusive way. Dogelon Mars basically is a canine-themed image coin on Ethereum and Polygon, which truly is genuinely huge. It follows the case of certainly other fruitful canine coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Certainly further appearance how Dogelon Mars execution in every practical sense. Day-to-day outline of Dogelon Mars basically shows that the elon cost most certainly has a genuinely descending development with a 2.51% diminishing and sort of beyond 24 hours, showing how Bitcoin shares 45.89% of the entry market while Ethereum by and large has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. Dogelon Mars in a real sense plays on actually a few famous topics in the image coin space, exhibiting how Dogelon Mars execution. The genuinely day-to-day outline of Dogelon Mars generally shows that the elon cost in a real sense has an exceptionally descending development with a 2.51% reduction in especially beyond 24 hours, showing how Bitcoin shares 45.89% of the entry market while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. Its name is a combination of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the very rich person business visionary who truly is a frank ally of Doge in an unobtrusive manner. It suggests Mars, a twist on the exceptionally renowned moon image, suggesting that Dogelon will encounter a gigantic vertical development, which explicitly shows that Bitcoin shares 45.89% of the entry market while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. Past its flippant name, Dogelon Mars explicitly has commonly figured out how to for the most part construct a critical local area, with essentially in excess of 300,000 Twitter supporters and considerably more than 84,000 devotees on Wire, exhibiting what fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,205.78 level after a vertical development of 0.07%, which generally is very huge. Who are the originators behind Dogelon Mars, which most certainly is genuinely critical? Very much like for the most part is the situation for its by and large more unmistakable and genuinely more settled cousins. The pioneers behind this sort of specific canine coin in a real sense are obscure, or so they by and large thought. That fundamentally is an all-around really normal event for image coins, and financial backers are very much encouraged genuinely because of exceptionally unexpected level of effort with semi-secret coins to basically try not to succumb to noxious practices like carpet pulls and leave tricks. So, ELON in a real sense has been available for sort of a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick generally little, showing how the sort of complete exchanging volume especially remains at $19,987,677,932 in spite of prevalent thinking. What basically makes Dogelon Mars most certainly one of a kind in an all things considered, huge way. Dogelon Mars really utilizes an entertaining kind of comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin, or so they generally thought. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the universe and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home with the assistance of the companions he's made during his especially goes through the stars. Really a few certainly short comics by and large are distributed on the coin's site that in a real sense follow Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he explicitly meets companions and goes on experiences, showing how which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,205.78 level after a vertical development of 0.07% in a genuinely significant manner. Dogelon Mars doesn't actually have a guide essentially, yet rather fostered a dream form through its comics, which by and large is very critical. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon will generally need to battle for the most part endurance against the Annihilators, showing how a long cost changes 1.42% over the course of the week while the exchanging volume truly is drifting around $1,078,656 USD, which explicitly is very huge. This fantasized rendition proposes that once the coin especially is recorded on all really significant trades, the cost of ELON will in a real sense reach Mars, or, in especially different words, it will exchange at a particularly by and large higher valuation a very enormous way. In any case, Annihilators, by which the unpredictability of the crypto markets could explicitly be implied, will truly be an issue the local area will for the most part need to battle against. Truly further appearance how right now, a truly broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. By and by, ELON by and large is an image coin without kind of much utility past getting it and holding it in a wallet like MetaMask, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping commonly profound into